What is the Daniel Fast? The Daniel Fast is a healing therapy that helps you take care of yourself in both physical and emotional ways. It is inspired by a character from the Bible. Proponents believe this fast aids weight loss by emphasizing your relationship with God. It is a dietary modification plan focusing on simplicity and plant-based nutrition. The diet consists of non-energy restricted choices of food from plants that are minimally processed. In this video, we will discuss the Daniel Fast in detail and tell you how you can successfully incorporate it into your routine. More on the Daniel Fast. The Daniel Fast is based on Daniel, the prophet, whose dietary and spiritual experiences are recorded in the Bible. This diet includes vegetables and other whole foods and avoids all animal-based foods. In other words, it is a vegan diet that prohibits the consumption of all animal products, refined foods, alcohol, and caffeine. It restricts calories, and studies show that such a diet can improve metabolic and cardiovascular health. The Daniel Fast was also found to improve the quality of a person's life by decreasing their body weight, improving their levels of blood pressure and blood cholesterol, and enhancing insulin function. Is the Daniel Fast diet healthy? Studies showed that the Daniel Fast diet could decrease body weight, blood pressure, cholesterol, and C-reactive protein as well as improve insulin function. The diet also has no calorie restrictions. But it does come with certain modifications. What can you eat on the Daniel Diet Fast? Fruits. Apples, apricots, limes, avocado, lemons, bananas, melons, blackberries, nectarines, blueberries, oranges, cantaloupe, papaya, cherries, peaches, coconuts, pears, pineapple, plums, prunes, raisins, raspberries, strawberries, dates, figs, grapefruit, grapes, guava, kiwi, watermelon, and tangerines. Vegetables. Artichokes, beets, broccoli, asparagus, cabbage, Brussels sprouts, cauliflower, celery, collard greens, corn, cucumbers. Eggplants, green beans, kale, leeks, lettuce, mushrooms, mustard greens, okra, onions, parsley, potatoes, radish. Scallions, spinach, sprouts, squash, sweet potatoes, tomatoes, turnips, yams, and zucchini. Whole grains and legumes. Amaranth, barley, brown rice, millet, quinoa, oats, black beans, black-eyed beans, kidney beans, lentils, mung beans, and split beans. Nuts and seeds. All nuts, raw, unsalted, pumpkin seeds, almonds, cashews, walnuts, flax seeds, chia seeds, and sunflower seeds. Liquids. Vegetable juice, coconut milk, kefir, and almond milk. What should you avoid on the Daniel Fast? Iodized salt, sweeteners, meat, dairy products. Bread, pasta, flour, crackers, unless made from sprouted ancient grains. Cookies and other baked goods. Oils, juices, coffee, energy drinks, gum, mints, candy. The following sample diet plan will give you a better idea. Breakfast. Oatmeal with fruit and nuts, seeds or a vegetable smoothie. Lunch. Salad, raw vegetables topped with avocado, nuts, or soup, vegetable, lentils, beans, or lettuce wrap with hummus, bean, or a veggie filling. Snacks. Nut and trail mix or celery with peanut butter. Dinner. Vegetable stir-fry over brown rice or quinoa. How much can you eat on the Daniel Fast? While following the Daniel Fast, you can eat throughout the day. It is a personal decision. Some people choose to eat 3 meals a day, while some add a snack or 2 in between. Others prefer to skip a meal. There isn't a specific formula you are required to follow. Note: this factor may vary from person to person, and hence, if one tends to overeat in this diet without adequate proteins, they may tend to gain fat mass and lose muscle mass, which is not a good idea. What are the benefits of Daniel fasting? The benefits of Daniel fasting start with one's spiritual beliefs and motivation. 1. Can promotes mental and emotional health. This fast can increase your inner peace. It clears your mind of all the negative thoughts and emotions you may be going through. This can eventually help you bond better and forge great relationships. It can also help relieve anxiety. 2. Can promote physical health. The Daniel fast can help detoxify your body by encouraging you to eat more nutrient-dense foods. Since it is a plant-based diet, it can also reduce the risk of cancer and other chronic illnesses. The fruits and vegetables included in the diet provide a wide range of nutrients, including phytochemicals and flavonoids. Other essential nutrients include fiber, potassium, calcium, vitamin C, and folate. 3. Can promote spirituality. Daniel fasting may help you break bad habits and addictions. It offers spiritual support and brings you closer to God. It can help you rely on God's strength. Who should try the Daniel fast? The Daniel fast diet encourages eating, unlike most other diet plans. It is a healthy modification of your current diet. Hence, anyone intending to detoxify their body with healthy natural foods can try this diet. Conclusion. The primary purpose of the Daniel fast diet is reconnecting with the divine. You can enjoy the added benefits of better health and well-being. If you have a spiritual inclination, this fast may help you reinforce your purpose. From the foods allowed and restricted, it is clear that it is likely to be deficient in protein, in addition to certain essential micronutrients. Though it may be good for a brief detox or weight loss goal, it may not be a good idea to follow it on a long-term basis or doing it too often. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching, and are there any videos, in particular, you would like to see? Please let us know by commenting below.